It's Game 2 and Lasal is looking to bounce back after their poor performance Game 1, kung saan overwhelmed sila sa chaotic UP defense, which forced them to turn the ball over 18 times, allowing UP to score 24 points off those turnovers. Ngayon sa game na to, it was UP's defense pa rin ang umangat nung umpisa. 7 early points from UP galing sa magandang depensa nila. Kasi after they forced the miss, dumidiretso kagad sila sa transition for easy baskets. And nung umpisa kasi sabog cross-matching ng Lasal pagbaba. So ang nangyari, early 12-2 lead from UP. Dito naman sa Lasal, nice answer by Escandor with a tough 3-pointer. Answered by another great defensive possession by UP na nag-translate ulit into an easy basket by Torcula sa fast break. Ito naging tema nung Game 1 na great UP defense tapos dediretso sila sa fast break, makakakuha sila ng easy points. Pero late in the first quarter, nice fight back from Lasal. They've made tough baskets despite the defense ng UP and nakadikit sila sa laro 24-27. And this game, grabe offensive rebounding ng Lasal, forcing UP to play extra defensive possessions and mostly scramble situations. These are the hardest possessions to guard. Kasi basically, after mong dumipensa, ma-offensive rebound ng kalaban, hindi nakaset depensa mo, and syempre medyo manghihinayan ka na hindi mo na-close yung possession. Ngayon, nasa scramble ka and magsiset ka ulit ng depensa, pero ang ginagawa ng Lasal, umaatake kagad sila bago pa makaset yung UP ulit. And nagkaroon ng momentum ang Lasal dito and bumilis yung pace ng laro. And napansin ko sa UP, kaya sila nag-struggle kasi nagpapadala sila sa pressure ng Lasal offensively and defensively. And tingnan nyo na lang yung comparison kapag settled down ng UP. Dito, binigay nila sa best scorer nila, isolation, 2 points. Ito yung first field goal nila sa quarter na to. Ang nangyayari, yung UP naglalaro sila sa laro ng Lasal. So after a dominating second quarter by Lasal, natapos ang first half sa score na 44-38 lamang ang Lasal. Third quarter, there were signs of that organized chaotic defense by UP. And offensively, for a while, mas settled sila compared dun sa second quarter nila. Kasi kapag settled sila ang UP, lamang sila in terms of personnel So dapat hindi sila magpadala sa pressure ng Lasal. Though sa Lasal, nagpatuloy yung momentum nila. Here's a nice pick and roll by Lasal. Evan Nele, 2 on the ball and wala nagtag ng roller, which is, gets ko naman since si Ben Phillips to. Anyway, pero kung Lasal ka, diba, this is what you want for Nele to start taking over. Tignan nyo to, paint touch by Lasal. Generated a long closeout, na-breakdown yung depensa ng UP, extra pass for a short stab. Easy basket kasi nakakakuha ka na ng paint penetration mas dumadali pag nabe-breakdown mo yung depensa ng kalaban. Again, dito, nakuha ni KQ yung bola sa gitna ng zone. Bad defensive communication by UP, dalawa nag-closeout, extra pass, open corner 3. And sa simula ng fourth quarter, nagpatuloy na yung trend ng Lasal breaking down UP's defense. And UP, they failed to execute sa half-court offense. Nagmamadali pa rin sila and hindi sila makapag-settle talaga. Dito, another paint touch for Evan Nele na naging basket. And yan yung naging kwento ng second half. Nangibabaw yung composure ng Lasal, yung 19 offensive rebounds nila, at yung 16 second chance points nila. Natapos ang laro sa score na 73-56 panalo ang Lasal.